Hi, it's Darcy, author of To Love Your Life, and I see you found my book page. Great! I wrote the book for you because it took me decades to find sustainable happiness, or that sense of peace and happiness that runs through you, even when life is hard. I wrote the book because I want to help you shorten the journey and smooth the bumps and get on track to living a life you love. To decide if you're ready for the lessons in the book, start by exploring a few questions. Are you happy with yourself, your body, and your work? Are your relationships genuine and joyful? Are you passionate, alive, and manifesting your desires? Do you even know what it is you truly want? Are you in the passenger seat in your own life? And are you living a life you love? If you couldn't answer yes to some of those questions, you're not alone, and you're in the right spot. The details are in my book, To Love Your Life, but I can tell you that I've spent decades hating my body, questioning my purpose and worth, doubting myself, and lonely, even in relationships. I was owned by my critical voice and wrapped up in my victim stories. I could sense, even as a little girl, that there was a light within me, but I didn't know how to flip the switch so that it would shine. The truth is, I wouldn't change a thing about those challenges. I'm grateful for them because they brought me the gifts and tools to create a life I love, tools I now share with you. I'd like to help you find that switch that turns on your shining light and leads you to sustained peace and happiness. It is possible for you, and you do deserve it. Begin right away by downloading the first exercise in To Love Your Life. It'll bring to light something I want you to revisit in your thoughts every day, which you'll soon understand. And once you've read the book and explored the exercises, I'd love to hear back from you. You can get the book on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or Alicore Media in the links on this page. The Companion Life Workbook comes as a hard copy, which I highly recommend to record your self-discoveries, but it's also available here as a writable PDF, which is very convenient. It means you can fill it in right on your computer screen. Enjoy the journey within, and I'll meet up with you again soon.